Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect TradingView strategy to MT5 step by step. First, set expectations and gather tools like a webhook relay, a bridge script, and an MT5 expert advisor. Next, prepare your TradingView alerts and rule mapping for order types and sizes. Finally, test on a demo account, monitor logs, and refine timing and permissions until orders execute as expected with consistent reliability. Gather the pieces you need before you begin and keep everything accessible. Sign up for a webhook relay or use a VPS with a webhook listener. Prepare a bridge script that parses TradingView JSON and formats trade instructions for MT5. Install an expert advisor on MT5 that can accept socket or file commands. Make sure credentials, symbol names, and lot sizing conventions match between platforms to avoid execution errors. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfy, durable socks with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long trading sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want them. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Write clear TradingView alerts and use a consistent JSON format that your bridge expects. Include symbol, side, size, order type, stop loss, and take profit in each payload so MT5 can act without ambiguity. Use webhook URLs from your relay and enable detailed logging for every alert sent. Run several practice alerts to catch parsing issues or mismatch symbols. Then iterate until the bridge reliably produces correct MT5 commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.